Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the job opportunities at CoinDCX company. So CoinDCX company is hiring for multiple job opportunities and you can get all these links in their career pages as well. So we will be sharing the details in this particular video. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe our channel. So these are all the job opportunities that are open at CoinDCX company, right? So there is a opportunity for SDIT QA. So SDIT 2, if you can see, these are the links for internships. If you are trying for any kind of internship for 3 months, 6 months, so those kind of opportunities are also available from development perspective, from business role perspective. And then there are job opportunities for software developer role as well, right? Like front end, back end. If you are looking for software engineering job opportunity, then those are also available. At the same time, uh, the staff engineer or senior staff engineer. So again, back end, front end. So as I mentioned, and then the managerial roles. So if you are looking for job opportunities more than 8+ years, more than 10+ years, then those kind of managerial roles are also available. So engineering manager, finance manager, product manager, all these job opportunities are available. And finally, you have got job opportunities for analyst, for data analyst, for data engineer, lead business analyst, and even for associates, and finally for DevOps, right? So these are all the job opportunities those are available at the CoinDCX company. So let me just open this link and showcase to you what exactly the job opportunities or the experience level they are looking for, right? So when you as you can see, you will be landing on the careers page, and there you can see SD 2 to 2.5 years of experience with Bangalore location, right? And they have also mentioned what you will do. So you will be developing automated scripts with Karate, Rest Assured, or APM framework, app automation, or you might be working on API automation. Then your responsibility would be to write and debug automated test scripts, maintain various reports to track mobile and API automation coverage, understand the product, get the product knowledge, and review test cases, right? So 2 to 2.5 years of experience in software testing. Even if you have around 1 year of experience in APM, experience with Java programming language, that would be good, right? So such kind of job opportunities are there at CoinDCX company. Then the second job opportunity that I would like to share is for the freshers position at Noida location. So this is for testing freshers position. The location is Noida. It's a work from office job opportunity. Should have been trained on manual and automation testing, mandatory good communication skills and ability to adapt to changes, flexible with shifts. And this is the email address where you can apply, and you can share your CV, right? So there are multiple job opportunities that we have got. So let me just go through it, and I'll help you with all those positions, right? Then there is a job opening at ServiceNow company. So you can see ServiceNow company is hiring aggressively, and you can also check all these positions on their career page. These are all the job opportunities they are looking for. Job roles they are looking for: software engineer, 2+ years, right? This is the job ID, and you can get link. Then software engineer, 2+ years, then senior software engineer, UI, 5+ years of experience, 9+ years of experience, and then software quality engineer, 2+ years of experience. So multiple hirings with respect to QA positions as well, right? So you can apply to all these job opportunities, and you can apply with these job IDs as well, right? So you will get the details on their careers page as well, right? So all these job opportunities are open at ServiceNow company, and first apply to those job openings which have been posted in the month of March. As you will go to their careers page, you will see the job opening posted from January 2024 onwards, but apply first for the job opening that is posted in the month of March 2024. Okay, so this was about the ServiceNow company. Then let me show you one more job openings. Uh, yeah. So Hiteshi Infotech is also hiring. So they are hiring, and the location is Crystal IT Park. It's indoor, work from office, and it will be 5 working days. So they are hiring for multiple positions: system admin, junior UI UX designer, technical lead, .NET developer, QA automation engineer, 2+ years of experience. And this is the email address of the HR itself. So do not forget to mention the position you are applying for in the subject line. Then various Infotech Private Limited is also hiring. Role is Salesforce developer freshers, then Salesforce admin freshers to 6 months, right? Location is Ahmedabad, and you can apply, or you can contact to this particular mobile number or this particular email address as well. So these are further two job opportunities with respect to testing, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, because these job opportunities are shared with you absolutely free of cost. We don't charge anything. So please hit the subscribe button and do hit the like button as well, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.